CURT just introduced their new kayak rack, and it's truly a premium quality rack. Just one look and you can see this rack is strong, has great surfaces to hold your kayak safely in place, and has the added feature of foldability. Sure, you could just strap a kayak down on the cargo crossbars, but there are some distinct advantages of this type of rack. First of all, it's all about the sound. When you strap a kayak down parallel, the aerodynamic flow between your vehicle and the kayak can create some terrible noise. When this kayak was hauled flat on the roof of this Explorer, you could barely have a conversation with someone sitting right next to you because of the noise. The upright position is much quieter, plus it makes accessing your kayak so much easier. With the kayak upright like this, you can also carry more than one at one time. Lastly, the padded and rubberized surfaces of the CURT kayak carrier give you the confidence that your kayak isn't going anywhere. Of course, when it's properly strapped down with the included straps. So when you're zipping down the road at 75 miles an hour and your kayak is on the roof of your car, out of your sight, you want peace of mind knowing that your kayak isn't going anywhere. The folding feature is especially appealing about this carrier. This vehicle will not fit in a standard garage door with the rack in its carrying position as it is right now, but because this rack is foldable, it can be left in place and open and snap when needed. The rugged engagement feature also allows you to adjust to the angle you desire and lock the rack firmly in that position. This rack is rated at 75 pounds, which handles most sport kayaks. Just keep in mind there are a number of larger fishing kayaks that exceed that limit, so you'll definitely want to make sure that you verify the weight of your kayak. CURT's kayak racks are easy to install with thumb screw fastening. They also come with a storage bag that's convenient for storing the racks, fasteners, and straps. As you can see, CURT seems to have thought of everything with this rugged and highly functional rack. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave those below. To learn more about the CURT kayak carrier, plus where you can get one, check out the description below. We've got a dealer locator down there where you can find a Performance Corner store in your area that would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of one of these racks. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.